Here's the Sony A6000 camera, and if I power it on and I want to format the memory card logged, that's the first message. If I go to the menu, memory card logged. Okay, so at the last icon and fifth page I have format there, but I cannot access it. This function is currently disabled, so I cannot format the card. To solve that problem, power off the camera and open up the battery compartment, remove the memory card, just push it in, and here we have this lock button, so move that one to the top. So now it's unlocked and now it's logged. So unlock it by moving it up. Okay, reinsert the memory card, and now if you power on the camera, now there is no error on the warning, and on the last icon and fifth page, come on, last icon fifth page, format is available. All data will be deleted. Format, yes or no? Currently I don't want to format it, but I could format it if I want. So that's how to remove the warning message that this function is disabled.